Welcome students. In the last class, we have discussed about the classification of the fiber. We have discussed what is the natural fiber and what is the synthetic fiber. And also we have discussed the synthetic fibers are four different types. Those are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. I have told you that we will discuss about the rayon and nylon in the next class. So today we will discuss about these two synthetic fibers. Those are the rayons and nylons. So students, we will first go for the rayon. This rayon is a synthetic fiber or artificial fiber which is prepared from a natural raw material. Though it is a synthetic fiber, but this synthetic fiber, this rayon is prepared from a natural raw material, and that natural raw material is your cellulose. So one question is here that which synthetic fiber is prepared from the natural raw material? That is the rayon. Yes, that is rayon. And this rayon is prepared from your cellulose. And the cellulose is obtained from the wood pulp. As we know, cellulose is present in the cell wall of the plant cells. So, for preparation of or for synthesis of the rayon, this cellulose is obtained from the wood pulp. Kathamanda tier. Third, and it has a very peculiar characteristic of the rayon. This rayon fiber is very soft and shiny in nature. It has the appearance of the silk. So, the rayon fiber is called artificial silk or your synthetic silk. Why the rayon is called your artificial silk? Because the rayon, it has the appearance like the silk which is derived from the cocoon of the silk moth. Silk moth जो cocoon अच्छी से cocoon जो silk preparation with silk fibers सहित rayon fiber appearance same रुहे. Like silk, it is soft in nature. Like silk, it is luster, it is shining in nature, and it is also durable. That's why the rayon is called synthetic silk or artificial silk. Yes, students. Then we will go for the properties and uses of rayon. First, we will discuss what are the properties, characteristic properties of the rayon. The most common properties of the rayon are rayon is soft and shiny in nature. This fiber is very soft and it is very luster. It is bright. Second, rayon is very cheaper than the natural silk. As it is very cheaper than the natural silk and it has all the appearance like the natural silk, so it is widely accepted as the substitute of the silk material. Third, this rayon fiber can be dyed into various colors. We can give different types of color to this rayon fiber. So these are the three important characteristic properties of the rayon. What I have told you that these are the soft and shiny, these are the cheaper than the natural silk, and it can be dyed to various colors. Then we will go for the uses of the rayon. Yes, we will discuss now what are the uses of the rayon. There are so many uses of the rayon, as it is a good fiber. Basically, it is used in textile industries for making the sarees, shorts, dresses, socks, etc. and etc. and etc. Second one, rayon mixed with the cotton is used to make the bed sheets, blankets and curtains, door curtains, window curtains like this. Rayon mixed with the wool is used to make the carpets, and rayon is used to make the bandage and surgical dressing items. 5.1, it is used to make the tire cords. Tire ভিতরে তুমি যে সুতারিয়া জিনিসটা দেখিও পাউছো, that is prepared from the rayon. So these are the different uses of the rayon. Clear? Now we'll go for the second synthetic fiber, that is your nylon. Yes students, we'll go for the second synthetic fiber, that is your nylon. So what is the nylon? Remember that nylon is your first fully synthetic fiber. That means the nylon is first fully synthetic fiber. It means the raw material which is used for the preparation of the nylon is total artificial. Nylon fiber is not prepared from the natural substances directly. The nylon fiber is prepared from the petrochemicals. That means the raw material which is used for the preparation of the nylon or the petroleum products, or it is prepared from the coal, air and water. So these are the raw materials for the preparation of the nylon. And this nylon was first prepared in 1931. And one important thing is that as this nylon is prepared first in New York and London, that's why its name was given nylon. NY from New York, LON from London. Remember, it is prepared from it is first developed in the New York and London. That's why this fiber is named as the nylon. And the nylon is a thermoplastic polymer. What is thermoplastic? That means the nylon can melt when it gets heat. When it gets heat or it is heated, it can melt. So it is called the thermoplastic polymer. Now we will discuss what are the properties of the nylon. The characteristic properties of nylons are: nylon fiber is very strong, elastic, and it is lightweight and shiny in nature. It is a strong fiber. It is very light and it is elastic in nature. Also it is luster in nature. Second, it is very little water absorber. That means it absorbs a little amount of water. So it is easy to wash and dry. As it cannot absorb the water, so it is very easy to wash and also it dry very quickly. It is wrinkle free in nature. It is very durable, long lasting. This is not attacked by any moth, insects or chemicals. A nylon is so stronger that it is a nylon wire is stronger than a steel wire of the same diameter. Steel wire ठारू मध्य ये और very strong होते. So these are the important properties of the nylon. And due to these properties, the nylon fiber becomes very popular in the world. People have accepted this fiber due to these properties. Clear? Then we will go for what are the uses of the nylon. The uses of nylon. First, nylon is used in textile industries for making different dress materials like sarees, shorts, ties, or garments, socks, etc. It is also used for making the curtains, sleeping bags, tents, etc. It is used for making the ropes, car seat belts, fishing net. As it is very strong fiber, so this fiber is used for making the fishing net, seat belts, ropes, etc., etc., etc. Then it is also used for making the parachutes and rope for the rock climbing. And the important thing is that this nylon is used for making of the toothbrush bristles. So these are the different uses of the nylon. Dear students, in this class we have discussed about the properties and uses of rayon and properties uses of the nylon. In the next video we will discuss about other two synthetic fibers, that is your polyester, and last one is the acrylic. Thank you. Bye bye.